Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all my social media handles. Today we're going to be diving into some energy of the tarot cards. I am going to be rolling the dice to see which zodiac sign we are going to get, and we're going to be rolling the dice as well to see how many times we should shuffle the energy of the cards before we go ahead and lay them out and do a general read. So I don't really necessarily want to pull into any energies of your past or your exes or anything like that. I'm just really looking for energy that we can use to help us right in the current moment. So let's just go ahead and jump into the dice and see which zodiac sign we're going to be reading for. All right, Spirit, who are we going to go ahead and pick energy to read for? All right, so we got a 9 and we got the Pisces. All right, so we're gonna shuffle the cards 9 times. Spirit, as we go ahead and shuffle these cards, please provide me with a message that I can channel to our Pisces out there that is going to inspire them, give them guidance, and also make sure that the message that is coming from me, Spirit, is from pure intentions. Like the cards don't want to shuffle. All right, as well, at the end of the reading, I am going to pull a mindful collective daily affirmation just so that we can have something positive to reflect upon throughout the day. So let's just go ahead and get into the energy of the first card. All right, Pisces, so the first card that we pulled for you is the 9 of Pentacles. Let's see, the 9 of Pentacles, Pisces. It's giving me that you are in an energy of being self-aware. You are aware of all of the sacrifices that you've made in your life to accomplish the things that you've recently accomplished. Be it financial, be it self-care, self-love, be it whatever it is that is a huge accomplishment in your life. The 9 of Pentacles is a very successful person, a person that is successful in a sense to where it's not particularly about the material things that the person has gained, but in how they really got it out the mud. This person has used the things that they had in order to create their success, and it's such a wonderment that other people wonder like how they did it. So you are aware of your sacrifices and the things that you had to discipline yourself on and the things that you had to lose out on in order to create this life for you. So while everybody else may have been going down one direction, you had to stay fast and stay steady on your own lane, your own path in order to get to where you are. And you're just in an energy of recognizing that. Very abundant energy here for you. And it's like a discipline that does not cripple you, but it just helps you to soar into higher levels, very, very intellectual. So it's like maybe you've given up the opportunity to be in a relationship, create a family, start a family in order to build yourself first. And you're just really aware and in tune with who you are right now. So that's what we got on this first card. Now these energies may or may not resonate all together. They may resonate separately for you. So just take what you need and then leave the rest. All right, and then this card we have the Chariot. So the Chariot is pretty similar to the Nine of Pentacles when it comes to being disciplined, taking your conscious energy and just turning that into power, turning it into power that is disciplined when it comes to your overall health, being disciplined to your overall habits, being disciplined when it comes to your sexual habits, just really being focused on being balanced and disciplined within your daily habits and rituals. All right, now because this energy that I'm pulling up, like you could be getting ready to be celebrated, or you have already been celebrated for your accomplishments. Like there's victory in both of these cards by overcoming a lot of the challenges that people face on a daily basis that prevent them from getting to higher levels, be it mentally, financially, and or spiritually. Like these are victory cards. So Pisces, you are definitely channeling some victory going on here. You're channeling some energy of being able to do the things that you need to do regardless of whether or not you want to do them in order to obtain success, is what I'm getting. Balancing your light side and your dark side. All right, so Pisces, let's go ahead and move on to the last card. All right, so the last card that we have for you, Pisces, is the King of Pentacles. All right, so the King of Pentacles is someone who is very generous, someone who is connected to nature, someone that's like enjoying the fruits of his labor. Like you put in all the work, Pisces, to get to where you are, and now you're just enjoying it. At the same time, you have this enjoyment, but with this Chariot right in the middle of your energy, I'm feeling like you are still disciplined enough to know, like, okay, I can enjoy, but I also have to continue working in order to stay within this position and within this energy. With the King of Pentacles, you could be wanting to start maybe like some type of foundation to where it's like a charity or some type of social foundation to where it's like all of the things that you've gained, you want to give some away, because the King of Pentacles is very generous. All right, so yeah, this King of Pentacles is very connected to nature, very connected to the earth. So your abundance is like continuously growing. You have enough to have to yourself and to give to others. So that is the energy that I have going on for you, Pisces. I'm going to go ahead and pull an affirmation card for you, even though it's giving you don't need one. The energy is giving you don't need an affirmation card, but let's just go ahead and pull one for you as well. All right, Pisces, so the affirmation card that I pulled for you says, I am the guardian of my happiness. I am the guardian of my happiness. And that pretty much says what is in the cards for you today, Pisces. You had to really hone in on your self-awareness and know that if you were to get what you truly wanted and desired, it would be up to you. We see that in the Nine of Pentacles, we see that in the Chariot, we see it in the King of Pentacles. So you have done everything that you needed to do in order to protect your happiness, to protect your wealth, to protect who you want to become as an individual. So affirmation, once again, I am the guardian of my happiness. So that is the message that I have for you today, Pisces. If you enjoyed this message, or if you got anything from this message, please go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of your future readings. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.